Guys, today I'm reviewing the Jurassic World Cretaceous Dino Escape Extreme Damage Indominus Rex. This is so huge. See, there's a striped beds. This is the Cretaceous one, so it has twirl. Wow, I'm not sure where's Darius because I don't see him. Cretaceous, the extreme damage, and then on there. You can see all that stuff, and then there's also, you get devouring actions, and you also can get the extreme damage to Rex. I also have that too, but we're doing this one. So, bigger ones are a little bit harder, because if you cut these strips, think you're done, but the back, you gotta use these stuff. There's some like string walls. You have these piles. And also the instructions and the warnings are in here too. There we go. Warnings and instructions are in here too. After I get it out, I'll do this strength first. Oh gosh. That was crazy. Right, get the instructions out without ripping it. There we go. The instructions. Now to getting this guy out of here. I'm gonna take this out and so that I can have room. There we go. There. Finally. I think that's out too. Okay, Indominus is out of that box. Okay. That took me 2 minutes and huge Indominus Rex. Really big. Oh, it's actually really it's like white with these brown stuff, and the eye is yellow. It's huge. I mean, it looks white. Here's feature. Leave the articulation first. This time, this is the second one, so it has different articulation, neck movement, arms moving. There's also a destroy and devour Indominus Rex, which I also have, which I will do comparisons. Still, both of his legs move at the same time, but the neck does move. So let's do the feature. Just press the button on the tail. Really cool. Here, this one is different. Instead of claw action, you get this action, like, see this a little closer. There's also speakers. Yeah, speakers are right here. There's also a scan code. Giant. Oh, that's a Jurassic logo. That's the scan code. Let's compare it with the other one. Here's the other one I have. You can see that they're different. This one's pretty old, so if I press these buttons, they look old. Yeah, this guy had lights, action, and stuff, but it is not working. The articulation also is different, but look, if you take a look at these, they look different. But the color is slightly different. And I'm not sure if these are different too. I mean, this is different. Sure. I know the scat codes are different. This one is a red one and a yellow one. Gosh, these are cool too, Indominus Rex. Like and subscribe, or these Indominus Rexes will come and get you. Okay, like and subscribe!